When I got this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is kind of heavy. So it came with this, which I thought was really nice. So this is the winter of 2024. It's got the lovely Caroline on here. I'm doing a lot of videos with my hair up. I hope that's okay. I have it different ways today. I'm wearing a bun in my hair, and it is appropriate that I'm doing so because today I'm unboxing something that I purchased myself from Carolyn Hirons. I'm saying her name right because it's like hi and then Ron's. Hi, Ron's. Caught one of her lives, and so she had her kits on sale. So normally they were like, I can't remember, in US dollars. I think they were like 120, which was still a good deal because you're getting over $400 worth of product for that. But then she bumped it down to, I believe it was 85. I think it ended up being 102 with duties or whatever. I think it ended up, or because of the US dollars to that, I think it ended up being that, but it's still a really good deal. So I decided to jump on it. I had to jump quickly because they were selling out really, really fast. So I'm glad I got the one that I got. And why I wanted to do this is because I like to try products out for you guys. And if I can get it at a low price so I can test it out for you guys and let you know what I think, well, there you go. That's why I decided to get it. Now, this one is supposed to be one of their winter kits. So I'm not sure exactly when I'm going to start using this. I am filming this in May, but this video will probably not be out until possibly September. So we'll be getting closer to the cooler months in Florida, if you will. I just thought that this would be a good opportunity to test some things out and get a huge discount for me because I pay for most of the stuff. I do get PR, but I pay for most of it myself. So anyways, this is it. This one does not come with a bag or anything. It did, however, but it came with this cute little clippy. And it actually feels like a nice clip too. It doesn't feel like a cheapy clip. I mean, it feels like a substantially nice clip. So that was really nice. Let's open it up. When I got this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is kind of heavy. It came with this, which I thought was really nice. So this is the winter of 2024. Got the lovely Caroline on here. And then in here, it just has all kinds of information on here. It's like a nice little booklet. It's a nice little perk. So it just says exclusive content and offers inside, it says, and it just has this whole thing about her brand. And I am going to be trying more from her skincare. I just need to use some things up. Like, I'm not going to open these for a while yet, okay? I am trying a couple things right now, though. I am testing out her retinol, and I am using her acid. So you'll hear me talk about that in a video. But yeah, she talks about different products in here too. Different things. Talks about the products that are in here. Just different winter concerns. Now, she does have an app now. So you can go on the app. You do have to pay for it. I'm on it right now. I don't know if I'm going to keep it, to be honest with you. I'm on a trial basis right now. I don't know if there's enough information for me to justify getting it. I think if you're really, really a freak, then it would be probably beneficial, but I don't know that I'm going to keep it. But anyways, there's a lot of really, really good information in this little booklet that you get with it. So I thought I haven't really sat down and like looked at it yet, but I got this yesterday and I'm like, that is really, really nice. So I love that. And you get the booklet here that kind of explains everything that's in it. There you go. Everything that's in this kit is right there. It says how to use it. And then I believe, yes, has all the ingredient. We can't see it, but has all the ingredient lists, just like the last one. I think her kits are a really good idea because you get it at a discount. I'm not into, like, you know how they have monthly boxes? I'm not into that because a lot of that stuff you don't know what you get. At least you get to see what it is and you can decide whether you want to get it or not. I don't know that I'm always going to jump on these. This is my second one, and the deal was just too good to pass. I couldn't. There's some things in here that I've wanted to try, and I was like, I was like, okay, well, I'm going to try it now, okay? So one of the things is this. This is ginormous. This is from Emma Hardy, and this is her Moringa. I thought it said Moringa. It says Moringa Cleansing Balm with Dual Action Cleansing Cloth. I'm going to open this up because I'm not going to open up the actual cleanser, but I guess you get a cleansing cloth with it, which is Similar to what Colleen Rothschild gives you a muslin cloth, which I love those. But this one I think is supposed to be like a washcloth you get with it, which I think is pretty nice. So that's what it looks like. Packaged so nice. I've never bought this. I've heard amazing things about it. So there you go. So I want to use up my Colleen Rothschild first, but I will give this a try. This one actually comes with a little scooper, which is nice. It's in here. There's a little scooper. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So I don't want to open this yet because I'm not going to be using this for a while and I just want to keep it sealed up, okay? But I want to see what the washcloth looks like because that's a nice touch. So that's nice. You get a nice microfiber washcloth, or as Caroline likes to call them, flannels. Because that's what you say in the UK. You call them a flannel. We call them washcloths. So that is lovely. I'm really excited to try that. Then we have this. This is from Amika, and this is their Soul Food Nourishing Hair Mask. I've tried some things from this brand before. I did like them. I'm trying to think what I used to use from them that I liked. Oh my gosh, it smells wonderful. It's very perfumed. If you don't like perfume, you're not going to like it, but I'm trying to think what it reminds me of. It smells wonderful. So I'm really excited to try that. But it may be a while because I'm using Colleen Rothschild right now as I'm filming this. And then we have 3 other products. So let's go over these. I'm getting the little confetti paper all over. So this is from Tatcha, and this is the Dewy Serum. So it says it's a 3-in-1 serum that gently smooths with Hadassy 3, plumps with hyaluronic acid, locks in moisture with squalene for smoother, plumper skin. Which again, I think this will be better for that's why this was a winter kit. I'm in summer here right now. We're going to be going into summer or spring, but it feels like summer. I think we've been in the 90s right now, and we're in May. So fancy packaging. And this is what it looks like. Now, I've heard good things about this, so we'll see how this is. So, I'm excited to try that. If you've tried any of these, like them, don't like them, let me know. I'm still going to try them, but you can let me know what you think. And then we have, oh, actually, there's 3 more things. There's something I forgot. So this is from a company called Pay, or is it Pi? P-A-I. Is that Pi, possibly? It's called the Resurrection Girl Hydrate Resurrection Plant and Blue Tansy Oil, which that's supposed to be really good. Hydrating mask. So it says, dry, lifeless skin. This mask is rich in gel, which will hydrate and revitalize. But more importantly, it's 10 minutes to give yourself the world's 10 minutes to give to yourself. The world's problems can wait a while you recharge. That's what it says. So it says that it is a hydrating, brightening, and smoothing mask. It has sunflower seed oil in it, glycerin, prunus, something oil, sweet almond oil, shea butter, camilla seed oil, plum oil, just to name a few. So a lot of really good ingredients in it. It probably smells amazing. So I'm looking forward to trying that. I don't know if I can see if I can open this. See, I'm not going to open this one up, but I will review that and I'll let you know. Just looks like it's a pain to open. So, and then we have the Glossier Full Orbit Hydrating, Brightening, Soothing Eye Cream, which, we'll give that a little shot. That's what that looks like. I'm using up some eye creams right now, so I want to wait to use this. I don't really necessarily have to wait until it gets cold for that, or cooler. It doesn't get cold here. Cooler, but I just want to use up some skincare right now. And I'm going to tell you as I'm filming this, I really want to shorten my skincare routine. The thing about when you are doing what I do, and especially if you really like skincare, which I do, I'm really into it. You want to try different things, but I only have one face. So it takes me a while to go through things, and you can't, it's not like makeup. Like, you've got to use it up within a certain amount of time. You can't just leave it open and then just not use it for a couple of years and go back to it. You can't. So I just have to slowly use things up before I try new things. And I just really want to simplify my routine, and it's why I have not been sharing like a morning or an evening routine like I used to, because I feel like I can't. Because I've been trying some different products, so I just can't. So this is from Emma Lewisham. Not heard of this brand either, just like the last one. Or just like the pie. I haven't heard of that brand before. So this is called the Supernatural Face Cream Rich. This one I can probably open up so you can see what the jar looks like, but I won't open up the, oh, the packaging's nice. And this is what it looks like, and I'm not going to open it, okay? Once I start using this stuff, maybe I'll do another, like, just kind of talk about it a little bit more, but then I'll do a final when I do my, review. I just don't want to open it up if I, I don't want it to get spoiled, you know what I mean? So this just says it's a pioneering formulations engineered for the complex physiology of your skin. This is your most advanced moisturizing cream packed with the latest high-performance ingredients scientifically shown to help collagen production process inspired by our skin's own repair renewal process. This cream hydrates, plumps, reduces the appearance of fine lines, fine lines to deliver intensely supple, glowing complexion. And this is made in New Zealand. So we'll see if I'm even able to, if I like it, if I'm even able to get it again. But I just thought it would be a fun opportunity anyways to try some new products that, products that are new to me, maybe products that are new to you, see how they perform on my skin, and I will let you know in an empties video. So I don't know when that's going to be, probably may not be until sometime next year. So that is it. If you have tried any of these, if you like them, don't like them, please share it in the comments below. As I said, I'm going to test these all out and I'll let you know how they perform on my aging, mature skin. I would love to hear your thoughts on it as well. And thank you. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I like to watch unboxing videos. I like to watch them. I wish I could open them up and tell you what they smell like, but since I'm not going to use them for a while, I hope that you understand it. But I promise you, when I finally review these, this is like a teaser. When I finally review them, I will tell you what I think, like as far as how it smells and all that, because that's important to me too. So anyways, thank you all so much for joining me. If you're new here, would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. And before you leave, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Please do me a huge favor and make sure that you like, share, and comment my videos because it helps push them out, and I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.